Good day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Flor de Sagon, 42 years old. I'm not married yet, but I'm living with my partner, and I have one daughter, and now she's 1 year old. I am a high school graduate, and I have 6 brothers and 3 sisters. I am 6 among of them, and now I'm living here in Cagayan Valley, Philippines. I have working experience before in Hong Kong for 4 years and one employer. I do marketing, cooking, cleaning, ironing, washing the clothes, washing the dishes, and taking care of the 2 children, one son and one daughter. The oldest son is a 2.5 years old, and the youngest daughter is a 10 months. I am a hardworking, honest, trustworthy, responsible, and independent. If you hire me, I will do my best to follow your instruction and willing to learn more, and I promise to finish my contract. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you very much. Goodbye and God bless.